It is Sunday, August 29th, about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm out at Marion Sansom Park with a very small group of people from my hiking group. We are out here doing a trash cleanup day. There's just a ton of trash on this trail and in this whole park. So we're out here cleaning it up. I've been taking some videos along the way so you can see what it is that we're picking up. So right off the bat when you arrive, this is the first thing you see. There are trash cans very close by. It looks really nice when you first arrive if you look up, but as soon as you look down, you're quickly disappointed. This is the group of people that chose to pick up trash with me on a Sunday morning. Down the trail, we found these big buckets. Wes decided to go up and pull them down for us, and they were 5-gallon buckets of lard. Here's a really nice overlook to see the lake. Just about everybody we passed on this hike thanked us for what we were doing. Fake rose petals near the pavilion. Sadly, they were everywhere, so someone's romantic gesture is now impacting the environment. Here's a black widow with trash in her web. At this point, we'd only hiked half a mile, and we got to this area that was just completely covered, so we stopped, took a good bit of time. When we just got to this area, we had dumped our bags already, and then we quickly filled them back up. This was the before, and this is the after. We found so many different things in this one spot. Here's a section where people had thrown plates that they wrote words on. Something about shattering things that you need to let go. Found a pillow out there, lots of clothing. This person doesn't want expectations to hold them back anymore. There's the 2 lard buckets and pillow. I've never seen this before. I thought it was really, really cool. This was a beautiful day for a hike. I really enjoyed this park and I loved what we were able to do for it. Picked up a chair and Wes carried it out through the rest of our hike. This section was pretty sad. There was a grill and lots of trash, but it was in an area that we couldn't easily get to with the number of people we had. This is a lot of trash. We ended up bringing out the big bags in order to carry it out. So this was everybody loading it up. And then this would be the end of our hike because we knew we had to carry it out. There are some pretty spots within the park. But even when you see the pretty spots, there's trash. We could not get to this to remove it. We just finished up our hike at Marion Sansom. We picked up a ton of trash, like I'm sure you'll be able to tell by all the pictures and videos of it. We did 2.17 miles in just about 2 hours. Before we had even gone the first half mile, we had already filled up all of our bags and dumped them twice. So if that helps you understand our pace for today's hike. So I think it was really, really successful. We ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. So small group, but we did a lot of good work. Look at this awesome group of people happy after picking up trash.